Welcome to Aggroso. Right now, we are an early-stage AI-first consulting and implementation partner. We are shaping our core services and figuring out exactly where we fit in the market. Because we are still exploring our own internal products and custom solutions, this internal document clearly states that our team cannot work based on assumptions, random messaging, or generic sales practices. Standard pitching simply does not work here. Ringing in a bad-fit client through unapproved promises creates a severe bottleneck. It wastes our time, damages our credibility, and it puts unsustainable delivery pressure directly on our development team. At Aggroso, your effectiveness is measured by how well you protect company resources. Every lead you qualify prevents a bad-fit project from draining our development team's capacity. To be that defense, you have to follow a strict protocol. You must completely understand the client's business problem before you even think about pitching a solution. Our operating mindset outlines why. Business problem first, solution second. Forcing software or overselling AI where it doesn't belong just to secure a project is dangerous. Instead, we prioritize long-term value, clients that lead to repeat business, deeper relationships, or productizing a custom solution. True success here requires completely unlearning traditional pitch-heavy sales instincts. You have to adopt a disciplined, consultative filter for every lead you talk to. Once you have internalized these rules, you will start running your first early-stage discovery conversations with potential leads. When you hear a complex client issue on these calls, you will naturally want to offer an immediate fix. But as this playbook explicitly states, you are not expected or allowed to finalize technical architecture on your own. Your immediate tactical goals are strictly analytical. You are there to assess whether software or AI can genuinely help their problem and to qualify whether the opportunity is actually worth our time to pursue. A successful discovery call is an intelligence-gathering operation to determine feasibility. It is never a performance to secure a quick signature. Eventually, you will hit a moment of friction. A client will push back, demanding a guaranteed pricing quote or a strict delivery timeline for a custom AI feature right on the spot. This is an absolute boundary. You must never improvise or guess carelessly when faced with demands that affect project scope, pricing, or delivery timelines. These golden rules show how to react, defer the commitment, and immediately escalate to the founder and dev team. Look closely above them. We are an early-stage company. It is acceptable not to know everything, but it is fatal to guess. Showing restraint and deferring to internal experts proves our professionalism. It ultimately builds more trust with a serious client than fabricating a promise you cannot keep. After you safely navigate that conversation and hang up the phone, your job immediately shifts inward. Our operations run on one uncompromising rule. If it is not written down properly, it did not happen properly. This section lists your required outputs. You must produce structured discovery notes, a completed qualification checklist, and a clean opportunity summary for the development team. Rigorous documentation is the only mechanism that allows the rest of our team to safely evaluate an opportunity without having been present on the call themselves. Every time you enforce this disciplined qualification process, you effectively shield the entire company from unsustainable risk, but you are also driving our ultimate strategic goal. By solving real, documented business problems, you help Aggroso identify repeatable solutions that can later be converted into scalable products. We know perfection in week one is impossible, but becoming clear, disciplined, and highly coachable is absolutely mandatory. Your work in discovery provides the raw data we need to build for the long term. By documenting real-world requirements, you turn individual client problems into the foundation for our next repeatable product.